Hey, what's up? So, for this video, I'll be teaching you the chain rule. Are you ready? I believe you are. Tingnan na natin nasan yung chain rule. Yarn. So, first, derivative. Baka nakakalimutan na natin. So, derivative. This measures the sensitivity to change of the function value with respect to a change in its argument. So, this is how we define the derivative. The process of finding the derivative is called differentiation. So when we are solving for the derivative of a given function, the process is called differentiation. That's why whenever you are asked to differentiate this function, you have to solve for its derivative. So we have here find the third prime or the third prime of the function or the third derivative of the function y equals 3x raised to the fifth power plus 4x raised to the fourth power minus 7x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 9. Pero we are not going to talk about this muna. We'll talk about this later on. So for now, we have to find the derivative, the first derivative of the function y is equal to the quantity 4x plus 3 squared. So for the solution, wait, ito yung isa-solve natin. So the chain rule, the chain rule is needed to find the derivative of some functions. It is also needed in computing the derivative of trigonometric and exponential function. That's why ito yung una kong ito yung dinidiscuss ko sa inyo ngayon. So you will be using this chain rule for your trigonometric and exponential function para mas madalian kayo. Given a composite function y is equal to f of g of x, we let the inner function, of course, pag sinabi natin inner function, yung nasa loob nito, which is yung g of x be equal to u. So we are going to let the g of x be equal to u. Then the derivative of y is equal to f of u is given by, so for us to solve f of g of x, we have to follow this rule. dy over dx, or the derivative, is equal to dy over du multiplied by du over dx. So we have to solve the derivative of u, and then we are going to multiply the derivative of yung function natin. So for us to understand this more, let's have some examples. So we have y is equal to 6x minus 3 cubed. The quantity is 6x minus 4 cubed. Solution. So we are going to use the chain rule. So we will let yung nasa loob natin, that is 6x minus 4, be equal to u. So let u be equal to 6x minus 4. So therefore, if we will let u be equal to 6x minus 4, then we should know that instead of writing y is equal to 6x minus 4 cube, we can simply write this as y is equal to u cube. Y is equal to u cube. Why? Kasi yung 6x minus 4 naging u na siya, and then dahil we let u be equal to 6x minus 4. And after this, to solve for its derivative, y prime is equal to the derivative of u cube multiplied by the derivative of 6x minus 4. Ito yon, dito nang galing yon. So ganyan na. The first thing is we have to solve for the derivative of yung nilet natin, and then imumultiply natin sa derivative nung given function natin, yung nasa inner function natin. So to solve for the derivative of u cube, of course, we have to put down the exponent 3 and then subtract it by 1. So magiging 3, and then 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, kaya magiging 3u squared. And then the derivative of 6x minus 4 is equal to 6. And 3u squared multiplied by 6 is equal to 18u squared. Wait, ano bang meaning ng u? Ano yung u natin dyan? What is the value of u? So sabi natin dyan, 6x minus 4. Kasi nga we let u be equal to 6x minus 4. Then, Yung u, papalitan na natin nung function niya. So, y prime is equal to 18 multiplied by the quantity 6x minus 4 squared. So, yan na yung derivative ng 6x minus 4 cubed. Instead of expanding this, instead of multiplying 6x minus 4 to itself 3 times, we can use the chain rule para mas madalian tayong isolve yung derivative nito. So let's have another solution for this. Same given, pero another solution. So instead of letting u be equal to its inner function, so ang gagawin natin is to put down 3. Itong 3 na to, binaba natin. Ibababa natin siya. So magiging 3 multiplied by the quantity 6x minus 4 and then subtract it by 1. So 3 minus 1, the exponent. And then the derivative of 6x minus 4. So ito siya. So now, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So we have 3 multiplied by the quantity 6x minus 4 squared. And then the derivative of 6x is equal to 6. And then we should know that the derivative of this constant, negative 4, is equal to 0. Kaya wala na siya. So now, 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18. And the final answer is 18 multiplied by 6x minus 4 squared. So it is up to you kung ano yung gusto nyong gamitin. The first solution or this solution. Okay, let's have one final example. So we have y is equal to the quantity 3x squared minus 4 raised to 1/2. So we will be using the another solution kanina. The process kanina doon. So for the solution, again, we will be putting down the exponent 1/2 and then we will be subtracting the exponent 1/2 by 1. So magiging 1/2 multiplied by the quantity 3x squared minus 4 raised to 1/2 minus 1. And then the derivative of the inner function. The derivative of 3x squared minus 4. So 1/2 minus 1 is equal to negative 1/2. And the derivative of 3x squared minus 4 is equal to 6x. Paano? So yung 2 na to, minultiply natin sa... So the process is ganito. So 3 multiplied by 2, bababa yung 2. And then x squared minus 1 minus the derivative of a constant is equal to 0. And then 3 times 2 is equal to 6. And then we have x and then 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Kaya magiging 6x. So now, yung 6x na to, i-multiply natin sa numerator ng 1/2. Kaya magiging 6x over 2. So 6x minus multiplied by 1 is equal to 6x divided by 2. 6x divided by 2 is equal to 3x. Kaya magiging 3x siya dito. And we should know that for a negative exponent, itong negative 1/2, para maging positive yan, magre-reciprocal siya. Or in other words, bababa siya dito mapupunta siya sa denominator. So yung 2 wala na siya kasi nga yung 6 dinivide na natin sa 2. Kaya naging 3x na dito. And then after that, remember that for the fractional exponent or yung mga exponents natin na fraction, the numerator is the exponent of the radicand and the denominator is the index of the radicand, the radical symbol. Kaya magiging square root of 3x squared minus 4 siya. And remember that we are not allowed or it is not good or hindi pwede na magkaroon ng radical sa denominator. That's why we have to rationalize this. To rationalize this, we will be multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by the radical itself. So, multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by 3x squared minus 4, maalis yung radical. And then magiging ganito na siya, rationalization ang tawag dito. So we have 3x squared minus 4. For the numerator, we have 3x multiplied by the square root of 3x squared minus 4. So this is now the final answer. So ayan na, negative exponent, fractional exponent, and rationalization. O yun lang. Do you have any questions? None. Very good. Bye.